This video tutorial I will explain getTime and getNanos methods of timestamp class. Here I have defined the class timestamp demo. Here I have created timestamp object. Then I am calling getTime method of timestamp object. It returns milliseconds value. Then I am calling getNanos method of timestamp object. It returns nanoseconds value. You can find source code for each example in my blog, and you can find a playlist for each topic in this playlist link. From this video description, you can get these links. Please check the description of this video.